Stop wasting time searching through cluttered profiles. Here is how to delete a profile on the Sling TV app permanently in just 3 easy steps. Sling TV allows up to 4 individual profiles for personalized favorites and DVR management. But when a profile is no longer needed, clearing it out is simple. Step 1. Launch the Sling TV app and navigate to the top left corner. Click your profile icon to open the Who's Watching screen. Once you're on the profile switcher, you will see all active users. This is where the management happens. Step 2. Enter edit mode. Look for the pencil icon or the edit button, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Selecting this will allow you to modify or remove specific profiles. Choose the one you want to delete to proceed to the customization page. Step 3. Scroll to the very bottom of the profile settings. You will see the delete profile option. Click it, then confirm the final prompt to wipe the data permanently. Remember, this action is permanent. It clears that user's watch history, favorites, and custom DVR lists instantly. One critical note: you cannot delete the primary account profile. It acts as the anchor for your entire Sling subscription. Also, deleting a profile does not cancel your subscription or stop billing. To end your service, you must navigate to the Manage Account section on the Sling website. For minor profiles, deletion also triggers the immediate cessation of data collection, ensuring your household's digital privacy is protected. That is the quick fix for managing your Sling TV profiles. For more high-value tech tutorials, subscribe to Sleek Guides. See you in the next one.